are in the beautiful city of Kanchipuram. Here we are at the Arupadai Veeru Institute of Technology, also known as AVIT. It is located on the old Mahabalipuram road, Pioneer Kanchipuram district, Chennai. Established in the year 1998, AVIT was set up with an objective to render social services to the society in terms of technical and professional education.
AVIT is one of the reputed colleges where I study, and faculty of this college are very good. They will help you all the time. If you have any kind of problem, they will always be there for you.
First of all, I chose this college because here in Chennai, it has very good institute technology, especially for engineering. So I'm feel lucky to study here in AVIT College, a good infrastructure.
They offer courses in biotechnology, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, biomedical engineering, mechatronics engineering, automobile engineering, solar and alternate energy engineering, cloud computing. Also, they offer BCom plus MBA, BBA plus MBA, BCA plus MCA and Bachelors of Architecture.
We also conduct a World Cultural Camp, inviting students from many countries to participate in cultural programs with our students. Our hostel has separate menus for different categories, and we have both AC and non-AC rooms. In short, AVIT hostels remain as a home away from home.
The campus is located on the IT corridor where various multinational companies are situated. With state-of-the-art facilities and a robust teaching faculty, AVIT ensure in grooming their students not only in the professional front but also on the personal.
AVIT aims at providing a learner-centric teaching methodology. Here students are provided a lot of opportunities to learn at their own speed, their own comfort zone. A lot of methods like interactive methods, presentation skills, games and simulations are used where students learn lessons and techniques in their own pace.
When they leave the institution, they don't go as a graduate alone, but also as entrepreneurs.
So if you're looking for a program with a great deal of experience, then AVIT is your place to be.